Hi, Carmen.
Can you say happy birthday, Daddy? Say happy.
Happy
Birthday.
Happy
Daddy.
Daddy.
Yay!
Alright, guess who came for Carmen?
Oh!
Oh, look at your outfit. You look beautiful. Look, Carmen, the Easter Bunny came. Look out here. What's that?
Daddy.
It's an egg. Yeah, put it in your basket. Look! There's more eggs.
Apple.
Look! Look, there's another one.
Whoa! Must have been a giant bunny who leaves eggs.
Look, giant chocolate bunny poos. Look, there's more out there. Oh, outside, out there. Look, there's one there. Oh, look, there's another one. Look at that. You're counting.
2, 3.
Whoa!
3. Look, Harry. Oh, you are, yeah. There you go. Eggie. Put them in. We got more to collect. Look, there's one there down his foot. Can you turn around and smile at Daddy? Look, the Easter Bunny must have been playing with your toys. Oh. He was playing with Carmen's toys last night. I think he did some colouring in over there. Oh.
Whoa!
It's so exciting. Look at your Lego. How long does it video for?
Forever.
Good.
How long does it video for?
Come on.
3 minutes and 30
You know,
seconds.
it's like my old camera. Oh my goodness. It's so funny. Look at that. Who is a lucky girl? He left you so many eggs.
Look.
Look on your shelf, Tommy. Look over there.
Apple.
Purple, that's right.
Daddy.
Purple eggy.
Some wicked hiding spots.
I know. Did well, didn't he?
Boo. Boo.
Ball, it's an eggy. Maybe he was looking out the window. Do you think he looked out the window?
Boo.
Oh, your ears are falling off.
Daddy.
Yeah. put your ears back on. There you go. Oh, and a basket. You want to put it there? Did he leave any in the lounge room?
Whoa.
Whoa. Here you go. Is there another one? Do you see another one? I think you do. Tommy, I think he left one on the table. What else is there? What else is there, Carmen? Dora!
Chocolate Dora?
No. He left you Dora. What else?
Mother.
Swiper.
Toda.
And look, who's this?
Boop.
Boots.
Ah.
And look,
Apple.
a horsey to ride. And look at this. A My Little Pony. And one more egg.
All right.
How lucky's Carmen?